Hey gamers, it's Gaming with Jackie here, and I'm here with my older cousin Lupita.
Hi.
Okay, she broke camera, and so now we're playing Murder Mystery. Okay, I'm innocent. I don't know what my cousin is, but let's just see who's murdered. I'm gonna see. Oh, that was an easy victory. Do you have something to say, Lupita?
No.
Okay. Okay, it doesn't have anything to say. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's Billy.
Where?
Hi, Billy.
Oh my God!
Hey, Billies. Hey, Bill.
Who's that?
I don't know. Oh. Oh my gosh, there's Jake.
What the hell? Okay.
Oh my god, there's Jake. It's that Jake. Captain Noodle. What? I'm scared. Hopefully I don't fail my job. Okay. I'm a little scared, but hopefully it works. Alright, let's go. I can't put it out. Look, let's go. Ah!
Who is it?
Bombastic side eye.
I don't know. I couldn't see it because someone killed me.
Oh!
Okay, let me see who's there.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh my God!
No, that's your easy name. Okay, I'm gonna hate it. Oh my goodness. Oh. There's only like 4 people left. Let's see if you can make this, cause I obviously stop. Oh no. There's only Minty, Green Mint, and Raptor, Wolf Moon. Yeah, only 2 people left. Come on, you got this. Oh my god, she was so close. Okay, she finally finished. We had to cut it out because it was kind of long, but she won. She had the victory. Here is Lupita. She's a little taquito. Okay.
Oh shit! Oh.
Okay. Okay, we're innocent. We're both innocent.
Peter, you looked at my face.
Sorry, written. Well, I had to see if you were lying.
I'm gonna die real quick. Hold on.
Okay. Damn, I'm out of here.
No! You scared me! I saw that shit. Ah! I saw that shit. Ah!
Wow, I'm the first one that died.
You suck.
Okay, I'm gonna just dance for y'all.
One hop this time. One hop this time.
What?
Right foot, 2 stomps. Left foot, 2 stomps. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Crisscross.
Girl, this time.
Rate my cousin's avatar. I rated it out of 10. Okay. Rate this guy's outfit or girl. I like the little bear, so cute. Kind of missing some hair, but it's okay. Rate this guy's fit. Oh, never mind. People keep leaving. Rate Captain Noodle. Rate Minty Green Mint fit. She's Batman. Pretty. If you let me show you guys my inventory. So pretty. Yeah, I got heart and lovely and stickers and toy. Here's my effects. I got snowflake and stickers. I got Footsteps Ninja set. I got Bad Bunny.
Yeah.
Ah! Oh wait. Oh, never mind.
Oh shit.
She won the victory. I got Bad Bunny. Billy. Oh my gosh, it's Billy, guys. Hello, Billy. Billy Loomis. Whoa, this is like. Oh my goodness. So pretty. Okay, I'm innocent, guys. Make sure you subscribe and like. Bye.